Hello everyone, we'll talk about the Toshiba VFD fault OCA 0005 alarm. It's an overcurrent at the startup. It's normally happen when you start the VFD, you give the command for start to VFD. At that time, this alarm occurs OCA. It means there is an overcurrent. Overcurrent it's happening because of there could be the few reasons. It could be like your ramp up time is very slow. Second thing could be yeah, like your motor is stuck at somewhere. And third reason could be like what the mechanism you have on the motor. There could be like your gear is not working properly. Sorry, there is bearing is not working properly or anything related to that. So this error normally happen when your VFD is connected on the motor and motor is on the situation of the stuck, or there is a very low ramp up time. So you need to increase the ramp up time. And second thing, what you can do, you can check your all the mechanism of the motor and motor end. So it will help you. It will this guidance will help you to resolve this alarm. So and third thing could be what is the major and last. It could be problem into the CT. What is into the VFD, like what sensor is providing the signal. And last reason could be like your VFD power card is not properly working, that is not responding properly. So these all could be cause you need to check all and everything. If your problem is still not resolved, you can write a mail to us. You need to mention your name, mobile number, model of the VFD, what is the issue in that, what the size of the VFD. With these details, you need to write a mail to us. We will reply on that. Second, we have one PDF. In that, there is mention everything related to VFD. You will get more and more information with that PDF. So that PDF is paid and it is very minimum price. So it will not on a higher cost. You can write a mail and we can provide you that PDF also and that VFD solution.